Alright guys, let's do this. Today the quest is to achieve wireless charging on the bike. This here is our bag of goodies. From those of you who've been following me know that I had a RAM mount. This is the original KTM mount. It fits in here, and I had stuck my RAM mount holder here, and I was attaching my phone to this, but that wasn't giving us wireless charging. So here we are today. What I've done is, this is a quad lock base plate. I've put an adapter plate, screwed the adapter plate into the original KTM mount, and then mounted the quad lock adapter plate onto this. I've actually not done this work myself. This has been done by Nitish from Moto 101, Moto IOI. It'll be just easier to do if we remove this. Not too tight when you're dealing with plastics. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the quad lock base plate, and what I've done is I've used an adapter plate. I've screwed the adapter plate onto this, which is the original, which is like a blanking point on the GPS holder. So this part comes with the bike. This is the adapter plate, and this is the quad lock base plate. For those of you who were following my reviews earlier, I was using the RAM mount here. Now we have something better. As we open our bag of goodies, I'm going to put the screen back so that we have our positioning references. We don't want anything to interfere with anything. There we go. Now we have, here is a dual pivot mount from quad lock. What we need to do first is screw, and we get this mount here. Then we have this vibration damper. It's very important to use this, because if you don't use this, due to the vibrations of the engine and the motorcycle, you can actually spoil the camera of your phones, especially iPhone. So it's already happened to me once. Don't take that lightly. And then finally we have this. It's a weatherproof wireless charger from quad lock. Kept everything a bit loose because I want to align it only in the end. Okay, so this is the springing mechanism. So maybe I want to orient it a little bit differently so that I can operate it okay, but this is the side we want. Anyway, let's keep it this is where the cable comes out from. I'm just going to go into this charger here. So either we have to give it a full, yep, I think this should work. Now I bring out the phone. The phone has a corresponding mount here. Right, so now I can get it slightly lower. Right. We have the charger here. I'm just going to put it into this. Yep. You can see this. You can see the blue light here, and yeah, it's charging. Yeah, and that's it. You can neatly tuck away this cable. It's very simple. I can simply remove my phone, put it on. It's charging. It's right. It's very clearly in my field of view, and if I want, I can adjust it a little more. But yeah, you'll never run out of charge on your phone again with this setup.